Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove shortcuts in your Firefox. So let's get started. Then you need to open up your Firefox. If you don't want to put any shortcuts here at all, it's a straight way to do is click on those your three dots, then click on customize home page. Then when you come here, just scroll down now and you're gonna see shortcuts. You can see just off it and know any shortcut is going to be, you can see all the shortcuts is not going to be saved and it's going to be automatically removed. This is very simple. And if you want to turn it on back, just go back there, then click on customize and you click on, then you can see you're going to see all the shortcuts on your Firefox browser very easily displayed here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.